Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Richard Levesque. I'm the president of Richard and Levesque Kitchen and Fine Custom Cabinetry. Richard and Levesque was founded in 1999. It was me, but my partner Steve Richard, Steve is a cabinet maker by trade, and so Steve has a lot of knowledge in production. He's, I would say, for many people that know him in the industry, he's very well recognized and with all his knowledge. So my trade is more the sales administration, as I said. So for us, it was a perfect match when we decided to work together back in 1999. Now we're located here in Saint-Augustin, so this is in the suburbs of Quebec City. So rapidly we decided, me and Steve, that we wanted to be specialized in high-end products. So for us, residential is strictly what we do. So we do high-end kitchens, bathrooms, custom cabinetry of any sorts. So, and now where our market is located, it's still most part located here in Quebec City. Montreal is a huge market for us too. We also have a showroom in Laval, just a little bit north of Montreal. And we also have quite a bit of work now in the GTA in Toronto. So yeah, and to permit us to provide this quality of work, I mean, we have strong values. So we have the values for us is excellency, it's integrity, respect, and teamwork. So, and speaking of our team, we have now over 40 employees, very strong people, very knowledgeable, very good in all they do. So we cover all aspects of what a business needs, right? In terms of, we have our own accounting, we have our RH department. So, but most of the people that work for us in production. So, and speaking of production, we many years ago, we started working with Cabinet Vision. For us, it was a game changer for us. But in the last 3 years, another game changer came across, which is webcam. So we're very happy today to be able to show you how we've integrated the software, especially webcam, how it permitted us to really bring us to another level in terms of productivity. So yeah, so let's have a tour and let's have a look at it. Okay, so we can start the visit of the factory. So we're starting here at this is the expedition, and this is also where I believe we're going to be finishing later on. So the factory here was built in 2003. So as I said previously, we started Richard and Levesque in 1999. So the factory 2003 was built. We expanded it by 2 times. We expanded it, so now we have 20,000 square feet of floors for production. So you will see that we'll see actually where we have 2 CNCs that are actually BSC CNCs. Quite happy with it. Recent, everything is recent here. We have the drilling part where it's done by the Wiki, which is also OMAG. After that, we have the edge bender, Brent, OMAG. We have where the equipment where we're putting in place the cabinet, which is also OMAG. So, and to be able to provide all this work, we've been working with Cabinet Vision, Planet. So we're again very pleased with them. We've been working with them for many years. I would say maybe probably close to 15 years, if not more now. And so we innovated quite a bit with Cabinet Vision. So, but through this whole process, through this journey, we realized that we needed to work with another software. So this is where webcam came in place. So we discovered webcam through the Association of Cabinet Makers of Quebec. So we saw the software, we're quite impressed with it. Then after that, some businesses accepted, just like we're doing today, to open their doors and to have other businesses coming to visit their installation. And we could see how they integrated webcam. Quite impressed with it, and we quickly realized that was the solution that we needed to permit us to go from something that was we started from the base, right? We were we developed our own system. So WebCap permitted us to have something that was a lot more automated, more intelligent. So to have something that was more synchronized, to permit us to have parts that was the having tracing of all those parts through the process this production. So we saw gain coming in place quite fast. So and now we have over 40 employees. This is working hand in hand with this software and everything we've done. So we're quite pleased. The employees are happy about it. It permits us to have this upgrade our quality and making sure the workflow is ultimate. And yeah, so the quality of the product just went over like this. So quite happy to have a tour with you and to permit you to discover how we've put this whole thing in place. Okay, so we're here at the CNC. So this is the first stage, right, of production. So we're receiving. That's all the receiving that we have of all our panels, whether it's melamine or wooden panels, so on. So everything is placed here in the right sequence. That's a small pile. We can imagine sometimes it's quite heavy, quite thick. So we know exactly which sequence we want those panels to go in the CNC. So we have something that will generate all the labels. Those labels are generated by Cabinet Vision, but the nice thing is Cabinet Vision and WebCap are working very well together. So the barcode is generated for Cabinet Vision. WebCap, it's on the same label. So therefore, when it goes to the CNC, all the cutout is made of those parts. This is when the part, the virtual parts become real. So once it's coming out, the output of the CNC, every parts are scanned. So this is where it starts. First step of knowing to be able to trace those parts. So we know it's there. It's been made, it's been done. So after that, so we know exactly, in fact, how many parts were cut out through the day. We know where it is. After that, it flows to the production. So we know where it's located, where it's at. Everybody knows in production with CNCs, we know that unfortunately there's parts, there's movements and stuff. So there's parts that need to be remade. So or anything can happen so that they get damages. They get damaged. So nice thing is with WebCap, once we scan any part, it's good to go, it's good to go. It's damaged, all right, it's damaged. Now, what's the reason why it's been damaged? So that we can have statistics on the reason why, which is quite nice, right? If we constantly have somebody dropping those parts, well, we might look into it and see why he's dropping the parts. I know it never happens, but no, it does happen sometimes. But anyway, the reason is, and the main thing is, it's nice to know. So after that, we know that it's going to be moving to the other things. Another thing that is nice is that we can quickly, if we have a part that needs to be remade, any remakes we have to do, we can quickly extract this part from the optimization that we do. So we have a second CNC, which we'll see, and that CNC, it's quite nice to be able to simply make all those outputs that we'll be doing through the day. That CNC also permits us to do when we have clips. This is where we do it. So it's a little bit more versatile. This CNC needs to go. It needs to practically, we don't like to see it stop. It is not running right now because it's too noisy and the guy went on lunch. But when it's going non-stop, we're quite happy about it. So this is it. All right, so we're here where we do all the automated sorting, or the intelligent sorting if you want. So WebCap, integrating WebCap permitted us to put in place such an installation where we have different bins where we receive all the parts. Everything is all mixed up, but it doesn't matter because this is where we do all the sorting of the parts that will permit us after that to be able to put up the cabinets. So you can imagine that we never start putting up the cabinet together until all the parts are in place. So much time has been saved here. We make sure that we don't start putting up cabinets if there's one part missing because it was damaged or lost in the workflow of this the factory. So almost instantly, once we put up all of this in place, we gained so much productivity instantly. It was quite amazing. So to say the least, we're very pleased with that. All right, so we'll see here where we have the in the sorting department. So in this department, you notice that we've put in place seven screens, 7 computers, so which permits our workers, the employees, to be able to have access to all the different steps that is offered by webcam. So here, for instance, we have instructions. So you see we have a 3D view, 3-dimension view of the part. It could be of the cabinet itself. Like I said, instruction which permits the worker to know exactly, in this case here, he could know exactly what to do, in which sequence to do it. So we could even hire somebody with not so much experience, give him a base, give this person a base of what they need to do. And if they follow what's at the screen, they will be able to do a very good job in putting this cabinet together. So it's been, again, I'm repeating myself, but it's been a huge gain for us. So yeah, we're pleased, we're happy. All right, so we'll stay here where we do all the automated sorting, intelligent sorting. So this part here is the output. We were looking previously at the input. So here we're ready to put all those parts together to obviously form the cabinet. So let's keep in mind everything is synchronized. So we get the doors, we get all the face drawers. So we want to make sure when we're putting up that cabinet that everything will be put in a sequence where it's fully efficient. So there's no waste of time here. There's no way that somebody will start putting up a cabinet until where you visualize all the bins, where when it comes green, it's a go. It's because it's time for that worker to be able to put up that cabinet. So the gain again is huge for us, because prior to implementing webcam, sorry. Prior to implement webcam, we had huge racks, metal racks that we had custom made. We did back then. It was impressive, but no, we did back then put all the parts in those bins, but there was no way for us to know that we were not missing any parts. So you can imagine, he would start putting up a cabinet, but we're missing a part. Where was it? Was it damaged? Was it even produced? We didn't know. So yeah, so the gain, I cannot say it enough, but the gain was huge when we put this whole section in place. Quite pleased about it. Okay, so this is here the last stage of the production cycle that we have here. So we've seen where the CNC, where all the parts are cut and drilled. Then after that, we have the edge bender. We have the section where all the cabinets are put up together and everything. So the wrapping is done over there. Make sure everything is placed well together. So we come here. This is the expedition part, where there's a section here. We have a screen, so the worker can clearly see all the parts that needs to be scanned, everything that needs to be together to be able to make sure that once it gets ultimately to the job site, nothing is missing. And if there is something missing, that it'll know. It will know quite instantly. It will know exactly what's missing, so it can start looking through the factory, what happened. They will know exactly to what stage, which part or cabinet or whatever where it's sitting. So this is quite something, and we started using this quite recently. I was talking to a worker just a few minutes ago, and he's telling me how he saw the gain that it gave us, and how easy it is to use. It's very user friendly. So And ultimately, when we finish with that, so the system can generate a packing slip, which ultimately will guarantee to us, to the workers, to whoever's installing the cabinets, that everything is there. So for us, that's great. So there's another element that adds a lot of value to WebCab, which is the dashboard. So the dashboard is a really cool tool where it gives us a picture of a given moment of our business. We can clearly see if the workflow it's going at a rate where we're happy with it, we're pleased with it. We see how much work and cabinets we can generate. We see deficiencies that unfortunately are happening through the production, and we can identify in which department is creating those deficiencies. So we've decided to really put it up there. We have 2 big screens in the factory where employees, they can see it. I believe it's something that motivates them to push themselves and to see that we are improving those numbers. So it's dashboard, yeah, it's definitely something that we're very happy to have now within our production. All right, so this kind of wraps it up. We toured the factory, we looked at different departments, how we've been able to implement WebCab. So now I would maybe like to say, you know, we've had many challenges, and there's no doubt that WebCab was able to step up and help us to fulfill those needs. So there's been tremendous gains in implementing WebCab. Now, like I said before, I mean, we were able now to have a much better workflow in our production. We're able to trace the different parts where they are. We have this dashboard that is amazing for us, that gives us a good picture of what's going on in this factory. So gains have been there, challenges have been help us to overcome many of those challenges. We're very excited to what's going on, what's going to come in the near future, because we're going to continue working with WebCab to implement even more of those tools, because we know that it's going to help us take our business to another level. So the one advice that I might give, I think if you're new to this, if you don't know WebCab, I would say, you know, don't be afraid to ask questions, ask around competitors, ask people that most of the time are willing to open up like we're doing today here, but and to share with you what are the challenges. It's not to say it's a walk in the park, but I mean, I think that if you have, definitely if you have your team, your staff fully involved in what's going on, what you want to fulfill with that software, I think it's going to help tremendously. And so no question, make sure that they're fully aware of what's going on and involve them in that solution, but in that decision process. All right, I hope you enjoy the visit. It was a pleasure having you, being able to present Richard and Levesque Kitchen and Fine Custom Cabinetry, but mostly to present WebCab. So I thank you very much.